Okay, today we're going to see about getting our bees a little bit more room. We haven't checked them since we put them in, which a lot of professional beekeepers would want you to be doing that all the time. I'm not a professional, and I'm not going to disturb my bees no more than necessary. I ended up checking on them regular last time and had a problem, then lost the whole colony due to checking on too much. So, and what I'm going to do today, now I do have my smoker, but I've got some sugar water, and that's my intent, is to spray them with sugar water to kind of calm them down. What I'm going to do now is just go over there and take a look. Now, if they get ugly, it's kind of early in the morning, but I waited long enough that some of them should be out foraging already, so there shouldn't be as many in there. But it's starting to get to where there's a lot of them on the front of the hive early in the morning. So and we're going to remove this thing that we've got in here, and I'm sure they don't want, but we're taking out where we had that block, so we're giving them more room. And we're going to simply, we might pull a few frames just to look, but the intent is not to, like I say, not to disturb them too much. See if I can find a little place to get in here and remove this. Now I do have a spider here, which we're going to get off of there because we don't want him messing. We done removed his other stuff. So anyway, we're going to, as you can see, we probably got quite a few bees. They're not happy, so we're going to spray them down a little bit. Calm them down, maybe. Okay, now, y'all just calm down. We're going to pop this cover loose. And you can see we have a lot of bees in this hive. They're probably past, let's see if we can break loose one of these frames on the end, because they're probably filled up, and they're probably, well, it doesn't feel very heavy, but we'll see. Definitely we got a lot, and we don't want them to swarm out of here. We're going to move a few more just to take a look-see. Definitely building comb, definitely got lots of bees in there, so that's all we want to do. Looks like we got one that doesn't like me, or doesn't like itself, maybe, because these aren't as docile as the Saskatoon bees I had before, but that's fine. We're going to spray these down again. This should calm down some of them. And our main deal is to get our other, we'll just put this up here for now, get our super put on there. I really don't like using a brush. We're going to try to push some of these off of here. We'll move them out of the way. Hopefully they'll move out of the way as we slowly put this down. Okay. I don't know that we got very many. We'll put that one down in there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this back up on here, and we're going to try to not injure any bees. They are out, but really they don't seem to be that aggressive this morning. So hopefully we didn't get too many there. Okay, that's one down. The hive is healthy. As you can see, we have spider web here. We're going to get rid of that. That's probably that spider that was there. If we see him again, we're going to take and do him in, but that'll keep him from catching any more bees. All right, now we have one more hive to go to, so we're going to move down to the other. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to attempt to take out our little door piece, and they won't like you messing right with it. But we're going to take this piece screen out, so now they have full access. I don't know how well they're doing. We'll find out here in just a minute. There's not a lot of bees in here because, and these could have already swarmed. They had signs a while back that now they have really glued their top down to there. Okay, we do have a few in there, but these could have actually swarmed out. They, like I say, they showed signs a while back of, well, I guess I should have sprayed them first, but they're definitely not happy. I can see pretty much they're building on just one side of the hive. Hopefully this will be all right. I'll keep a closer eye on these. We're not going to disturb them too much. We're going to get this other super and put it on top. We hopefully will get them to move out of the way without injuring too many of them. I got one that I did kind of do in. This will give them extra room. They got this top is, this cover is, I'm going to put it on upside down. Well, no, I'm not, but it's warped. So it really needs another cover. And I think I know why. This was it had a situation with the rain, and I think we might need to tilt this forward just a little bit. So anyway, we've got both of those fixed up. Hopefully that's good for a while. Okay, we got that done. Actually, my camera woman didn't get stung, but they were really wanting to investigate her more than she wanted it. But that first hive that we put the super on was in really good shape. The second one probably has too much room, and I think their problem was that they're getting too much moisture. So what I'm going to do is in the morning, whenever I go to do my normal routine, I'm going to take a level and check the top. We did level it, but it may need to have the thing tilted forward a little bit. Whenever it rained, it's probably got too much moisture in there, and it created a situation of too high of humidity. But we'll see, because like I say, with the top warped and them fastening that down or taking and putting propolis against it in the top, and I'll probably have to come back and replace that, because the way that it is, it's not going to be happy for the bees as far as, and it's going to be bad for the beekeeper. But anyway, enough rambling. The one hive is doing super good. It possibly could swarm pretty soon. We'll just have to keep a close eye on it. Hopefully we've got them more space and they don't, but that's what happens. We want to kind of keep them natural. If they do swarm, the best thing we can do is just try to catch them when they do. Hopefully they'll be somewhere close. And as always, you know, if you want to see more, we'll hit that subscribe, hit the bell and select all. Give it a big thumbs up and share it. It always helps my channel. Enjoy that gardening experience.